The crypto market has almost fully retraced its move from yesterday. Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome back. Just a quick market update for you because we have, at the time of recording, just about entirely retraced yesterday's move. Bitcoin back down to a price right now of $62,470. What happened? Well, sure enough, those long liquidations came in and the bull trap pretty much played out, although we didn't quite break that key 62.8 level that we were talking about yesterday, where there were $1 billion worth of long positions waiting. As you can see here in the Bitcoin liquidations map, the 12 hours you want to look at now on the long side, nearly $100 million worth of long positions liquidated. As you can see, the way the map has changed, a lot of that long interest is now gone. Sensible people getting out before they get liquidated. And now we are skewed to the downside with a lot more short interest. The $1 billion short liquidation level coming in at around $64,600, which on the price chart is just about the peak of the move up from yesterday. And you can see this sentiment kind of reflected in the fear and greed index. We're down a point on yesterday, neutral to fear. Kind of in the balance right now. From a technical perspective, we are in an area of support that lasts pretty much from here all the way down to lows at about $59,000. If we can hold this level, it presents a good place to push up going into the rest of the week. CPI data out on the 11th, which will probably be market moving. As always, not financial advice, just my opinion. Plenty more to come. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.